Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome I, Al the Kenzo Remix.